Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here various types of compounds are given. You have to find number of signal in the proton NMR spectra. The one compound is ester, another is ketone. All are attached in the benzene ring with different positions. You have to find the symmetry and analyze the number of signal. Here answer will be easy if you know how to find the symmetry. The compound 1 has C3 symmetry and has 2 signal because symmetrical hydrogen has same chemical shift, so it has 2 signal. If you look at the 2, it is also having C3. If you rotate it, you will get the molecule again and again. The rotation angle will be 120 degree, so it also has 2 signal. If you look at the molecule 3, it has only 2 signal because of 2 mirror planes inside. The mirror plane, the reflected atoms will have same chemical shift. They are magnetically equivalent. If you look at the compound 4, you have only one mirror plane of symmetry. It has 3 signal. Because the mirror plane don't reflect other atoms, it only reflects AC. So it has 3 signals. Here the concept you have to learn here is more the symmetry, less number of signals. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.